Apple introduced Image Playground in iOS 18.2. Image Playground is essentially a generative AI image creation tool that lets you create cartoonized images. You can simply use a photo of yourself or your loved ones and turn it into an AI generated image. You can get animation or illustration like image here, and it offers prompts such as themes, costumes, and accessories to creatively enhance your photo. This is one way how you can use this app. You can also use the Apple Intelligent Search bar to describe an image and it will generate the image for you. Image generation only takes a few seconds, and as you swipe, you get a new image generated in seconds. Image Playground is also integrated with other apps like Messages and Notes. If you're texting someone, and you can simply generate the image idea within the app and send to your friends without having to leave the app. The coolest integration is that in the Notes app, you can simply draw your idea and you can use the image wand to turn it into an AI generated image that looks like magic. In Playground app, you only get cartoon-like images. You do not get photorealistic images for obvious safety reasons. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel if you like to see more tips and tricks.